Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve a quiz which is related to an expression which has a unknown variable in the expression, and we have to find out what is the correct answer of this variable. And the variable is basically here is a. If you see in the expression, so our variable is here is a, which is unknown in this expression. So we have to solve this expression and find out what is the value of is this expression, this variable. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these quizzes from my channel. Let's start the topic. Before starting the topic, we have to recap the PEMDAS and BODMAS method, BODMAS rule. And if you recall that PEMDAS is P for parenthesis and B for bracket. And you can see on the screen, like you can say like is round bracket, curly bracket, and square are coming in this word, like parenthesis and bracket. And if you talk about the order, which is power and root, so we will see like x square, or you can say any root number. And in the M for multiplication and D for division, they both have the same precedence. Like if you are using the multiplication and you are using the division, if you are going the left to right in the expression, so you can solve which operation is coming first. And similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule, like we can solve addition or subtraction if they are coming first, left, if you are going to left to right. So now let's start the topic. So before starting my topic, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. So now let's start the topic. We have an expression which is 42 divided by 2 plus a multiplied by 3 minus 22 equals to 8. Here we have to find out the value of a. So now we will go first left to right, right? And after that, we see like which as per PEMDAS or BODMAS rule, which is coming first. So as per rule, here we have 42 divided by 2 is coming first. So we will solve this one first. So 42 divided by 2 is 21. And we will write whole expression as it is. Right? Now we have to move forward again left to right. So here is the main step where some people can get the confused or uh, can solve wrongly this expression. So here we have 3 minus 22. And if you solve like 3 minus 22 first, so you will get the answer wrong, because you cannot solve 3 minus 22 first, because 3 is multiplying from a, right? So you cannot solve this one. So here we have to arrange these terms, like if you are going to left to right, so rearrange the terms, rearrange the terms first, right? So now we will rearrange, like here we can 21 minus 22 plus a multiplied by 3 equals to 8, right? Now again we will move forward left to right. So you can see like this one, this number. Okay, if you say like you are going left to right, so you will say like we can solve a multiply by 3, but you cannot solve this one because here a is unknown and you cannot multiply these two terms because A is unknown. So the in this expression we have to solve now subtraction first because we have to find out the value of A here. So now we will solve this one to 22 minus 20, sorry, 21 minus 22. We will get the answer is 1, but the sign is will come is minus because minus 22 is the bigger number which has the minus sign in this two number. Again, we will write other terms as it is this one. Now we will move minus 1 to other side. So taking minus 1 to other side. So we will get A multiplied by 3, 8, and now we have the minus sign in the left side. So, and if we will move to minus 1 to right hand side, so we will get the plus 1, right? This is the key point. Like you cannot write the minus 1 because you are moving to right side and now the sign will be changed. Now we have unknown term in left hand side and the known numbers we are getting from uh, right hand side. Now we will solve this expression again. So A multiplied by 3, 8 plus 1 is 9. And now this number which is coming, which is multiplying from the A will go down in the right hand side. So now we can write A divided equals to 9 upon 3. So if we see the answer 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. So the answer of this expression and this unknown variable is A equals to 3. So this is the answer as per BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. So now we will see which answer is correct. So here you can see the A answer is correct, right? If you see in this expression, so A answer is correct as per the rule. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. And don't press the bell icon and like the button. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care.